Transport in plants and animals. Every living organism has a transport of nutrients, water, waste products etc. in all parts of its body. Example, flow of blood in humans. All organisms have different body system to transport nutrients. Blood. Blood is our major medium of transport and it performs various activities needed for survival. It carries oxygen, carbon dioxide and digested food. It carries urea from kidney for its removal. Blood consists of plasma, WBC, platelets and RBC. Plasma is a yellow color liquid which contains proteins, hormones, etc. It makes 55% of blood. WBC. White blood cells are the cells which fight diseases inside our body. They are colorless and have no shape. Platelets. Platelets help in blood clotting. RBC. Red blood cells carry oxygen to different parts of our body. They are red in color and circular in shape. When blood has oxygen, it is bright red in color, but carbon dioxide-rich blood is very dark in color. Blood vessels. Blood vessels are tubes that transport blood. There are 3 types of blood vessels: arteries, veins, capillaries. Arteries. They carry blood away from the heart to different parts of the body. They have thick walls. Veins carry blood rich in carbon dioxide to the heart. They have thinner walls than arteries. They have valves in themselves so that blood do not flow back. Capillaries. It is the connection between arteries and veins. The heart is divided into 2 parts known as the right and left side. They are divided by the cardiac septum. Each part of the heart has 2 chambers, auricle also known as atrium and ventricle. The auricle will take the deoxygenated blood and pump it to the lungs, and the ventricles pump blood to different parts of the body. Excretion in humans. The removal of waste from our body is called excretion. Urinary system. Urinary system consists of kidneys, ureters, urethra and urinary bladder. Kidneys are bean-shaped, 12 centimeters in length. Waste is brought from the renal artery and it is filtered by the kidneys. The kidney is made up of millions of nephrons, which filter waste from the blood. When a person's kidneys do not filter the blood, then to remove waste from the blood they should do a process known as dialysis, in which blood is taken from an artery, then it is cleaned by machines and blood is given back in the vein. We have blood for transportation of nutrients, but how do nutrients transport in plants? Transport in plants. Plants have a vascular system for the transportation of nutrients in plants. Xylem. Xylem is also like a nerve, but it carries water in plants. Phloem. Phloem carries food in plants. Diffusion. Plants do diffusion when excessive water is present in the plant, so it will take some water out by the process of diffusion. Diffusion in plants is known as guttation. Osmosis is a type of diffusion in which a substance transfers water from a more watery substance to a less watery substance through a semi-permeable substance.